It's cookie time! Say cookie time! You gonna make cookies with Daddy?
Here, you can put the thing back on.
Look, guys. Tonight, we're gonna make cookies! All right, we're gonna use this. We have to we have to put like
What?
we have to like mush it all together.
Why?
To make one big thing so they can cut it out, or like two big things so they can cut it out.
Well, instead of me keeping them 2 inches apart, I'm gonna put them on the sheet and just keep it a lot closer.
No, the point of me buying the dough already doughy is so we can mush it together, press it out. Because if we were making cookies from scratch, we would mush it together, cut the cookies out, and then put it on the sheet.
Oh.
Cut out your cookie. Here, press it down. And you have to put it in the middle. Put it in the middle. And press it. He's gonna be thick. He's gonna be thick. Press it down. Good girl. Press it down, Mason. Snowman cookie. Like, you're not gonna be able to get this anywhere else.
Nope.
And you can't. You could attempt. You could attempt it.
But you won't succeed.
You will not succeed. You know you're right. You're right. Because how could you? You ain't got these skills.
It's not possible.
You ain't got these skills. You see that? That's like pizza hands. Pizza hands. I never even made pizza like
You're so
this.
good with those hands? Oh, I already know
hands.
that though.
Bake it, and then we'll
Add stuff?
we'll let them put like frosting on it.
Yeah.
Okay. This must be the cookie waiting dance. Is that the cook waiting for
Lane
cookie?
Frost.
Lane Frost? I don't know what that is.
He was a cowboy.
I thought it had something to do with Christmas.
No, he was a cowboy. That's how he used to wave to the crowd. He died. He was like 22 years old.
This is a very tragic story, and I thought because of the name Frost was in there, this had something to do with Christmas. And you got my kids over here doing this dance. Zoe, put your arms down.
That's how he waved to his wife before he died.
Zoe, put your arms down. Daddy is very morbid. Oh, your hands are dirty? Okay, I'm coming. You guys want to see my snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? Is that how that song goes?
I don't know.
Zoe said no. Like she saw the movie. I should make her watch it. Check this out. Wait. Hold.
Coming, Zoe.
Ow, your one big snowman cookie is coming. Ew, look at him though. Ew. Here's the cookie. Look at this perfect snowman cookie. This is called, oh, he don't got no arms. Look, Zoe.
Mason, look.
Mason, look, what's this? What's that? What is that?
Mushrooms.
He was gonna say marshmallow. Is it a snowman? Is he a snowman? He's like, Do you like him? Oh, is he yummy? He's a big snowman cookie, right? Did you make that? Do you like it? Mason, do you like it? Zoe, do you like it? I know you look a little ghetto. This ghetto snowman, okay? He looks happy though. He looks happy to be here. Okay. I tried. Good morning, family. Today's another wonderful day at work. I did not get a chance to speak to you guys at all yesterday, so I thought I would finish up everything I need to do in the office today and show you. The last time I spoke to you in the office, the day turned out crazy and I didn't get to finish everything, so I still have this mess. My desk is not terrible. I know we clean it up. We're gonna make it cool again. And we have some other things that we need to put away. So we're gonna do that today. And I'm feeling a lot better today. I can breathe again. So we're gonna get ish done today. And check my husband out. He got me the Kalana Barfield sweater from Target, the Future Collective. He's the best. Thank you, honey. Okay, so first we're gonna file some paperwork just to get some stuff off of my desk and update the sales numbers chart so everyone knows where they are. I'm actually feeling a little hungry and I want a bacon, egg, and cheese. It's definitely raining out and I didn't bring my umbrella in here, but I'm sure somebody has an umbrella. The diner's right down the street, so we might walk over there and get us a bacon, egg, and cheese. A bacon, egg, and cheese. Do you guys ever feel like you get more done when you stand up? I feel like when I'm standing up, I just zip around and get shit done. When I'm sitting down, I'm just like, oh, I can't reach that. Oh, that's over there, I'll get it later. But when I'm standing up, procrastination ends. That is the key. That's probably the cure for procrastination. Stand the hell up. Get up on your feet. That's the cure. I'm gonna write a book. We're gonna clear off just a little bit of stuff that I have on the desk and we can move forward. Hi, can I place an order for pickup?
What do you like?
Can I have 2 chicken noodle soups and a bacon, egg, and cheese, please? One bacon, egg, and cheese. And 2 chicken noodle soup. Yes, please. That's it. Thank you. All right, let's go head out and get our lunch. Let's do that. It's so yucky and gross out here today. Yucky.
Oh, that's what happened to me. I thought that was your,
The Ring camera?
Yeah.
Okay, we have about 20 minutes left at work and I did a lot today. I feel accomplished. I did some transfers and I got some things out. Look, clean. Look at my desk. This is just from right now, but it's clean. Look at over here. No boxes on the floor anymore. Boom. Just tile samples here. There's a little bit of garbage. That's it. We looking lovely. Look at that floor. No boxes. That's all that's left for customers to pick up. Did it. Did that. 20 minutes left. I'm gonna just clean up these little bit of papers I have here. And we are out of here for 3 whole days. I can't wait. And I'm super parched, so I'm gonna go get some water. next week we need to clean out what's inside of these cabinets because there's some stuff in there that's questionable. What's this on, girl? That's a chat. I think I'm dehydrated. So thirsty. I'm home. I'm home for the next 3 days. I'm so excited, y'all. I am gonna be home for the next 3 days. I am off. Whew, I needed a break. Yeah, it's starting to get real stressful. I almost reached my limit today, but I made it. I pushed through. And we're gonna be Christmas shopping this weekend. It's a terrible time to do it. And I have no choice because we didn't buy not one thing for anyone yet. And we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 kids to buy things for. So, yeah, I'm gonna be starting early in the morning. And I hope to get it all done tomorrow. If not, I got Sunday. If not, I might wait till Monday, but Monday might be a better choice. But either way, I got 3 days off. Right, Zoe? Right, Zoe? Yeah. What you playing with? Okay, mommy's whisk. Got it. Hey, Mason. Oh. What you playing with? You got straws? You got straws? Yeah. Who's gonna get their hair combed tonight? Be excited too. Yeah. Mommy's gonna have a margarita. Mason's gonna go to sleep. Yeah. Zoe's gonna go to sleep. Yeah. Oh, now they don't want to hear me. Mm-hmm. The kitchen is clean. I'm not making a mess. They're gonna have leftovers from last night. I'm heating it up now. I'm gonna feed it to them so they don't throw it all over the floor. Then dinner will be done. So, yeah. Zoe, what you doing? Oh my God. Hey y'all, it's midnight and I just got out the shower and washed my hair, and I decided that since I have the next 3 days off, I'm starting these locks within these 3 days. That's the plan. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get my favorite lock and twist gel. I'm gonna get some clips because who knows where my old clips are. And we doing this. We're doing it. We are locking it back up. It's happening. I'm excited to do it. My hair is much longer than when I started my locks before, because I started them 12 years ago after the big chop I did, and it's still wet. I didn't put anything on it yet, but it's much longer than when I started before. So we'll see how they turn out. I had about 80 something, I think 86 or 87 before. This time I'm shooting for like a good 45. So I want them bigger and juicier, and I'm excited. Of course you guys are gonna come along with me. But anyway, I gotta go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning.